A question for you. Do you have an individual retirement account, IRA, as part of your estate plan? Look, while IRAs certainly can be very powerful tools for retirement, as well as the transferring of your wealth to the next generation, they do come with very specific, unique rules that can sometimes lead to mistakes that can be costly. So in this video, I want to talk about how do you avoid some of the more common estate planning mistakes with IRAs. Hi there, my name is Bill O'Leary. I'm with Legacy Planning Law Group. We're an estate planning firm, probate elder law, located in beautiful Jacksonville, Florida. And by the way, if you're planning maybe for your future and want to protect your retirement assets like an IRA, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more actionable advice and tips. So today I'm going to dive into this topic, how to avoid common estate planning mistakes with IRAs. So in this video, I'm hoping that you're going to learn two things. Number one, what some of those common mistakes, estate planning mistakes are involving IRAs, and two, frankly, how to avoid them. So there are some mistakes, very common mistakes that are made when you have an IRA that is part of your overall estate plan. So I want to talk about that and how to avoid them. So the mistakes, mistake number one, not updating, failing to update your beneficiaries. So a beneficiary is somebody you can name to get your account after you pass away. Well, forgetting to update these beneficiary designations, even though maybe you've done them in the past, but forgetting to update them after major life events, things like getting married, maybe getting a divorce, wanting to change up your beneficiaries there, maybe the birth of a child. And forgetting to update those beneficiary designations can cause significant issues. So make sure your designations are current to ensure that your IRA passes to the right people, the people that you want. Mistake number two, naming the wrong beneficiary. So naming, first of all, your estate as a beneficiary, bad idea. That will trigger tax consequences that I'm sure you don't intend, and you see will sort of force that IRA to go through the probate court, which a beneficiary designation of a person or a trust will avoid. Do not name your estate as the beneficiary. Okay, so again, name an individual. Better yet, name a trust, name a living trust as your beneficiary. But that again, which direction you go in is going to depend on your goals. How much control you want to maintain over your estate after you pass away, and the desire to minimize taxes. Mistake number three, not using a trust when it's needed. So if you, let's say, have minor children under age 18, or maybe you have a loved one, a beneficiary who is disabled, a special needs beneficiary, or maybe heirs who just simply can't manage their inheritance responsibly, even though they're adults, or let's say the responsible adult child, but you're concerned that the two biggest risks that they run, losing their inheritance and leaving the family bloodline, number one, the possibility that your child gets a divorce, or two, that your child gets into that car accident, that liability situation, and here they come wanting to take the inherited IRA. So if you have any of those situations, minor children, a special needs loved one, an adult child or beneficiary that's not responsible, or even an adult child that is responsible, but you want to protect the inheritance for them, keep it in the family, but in a way that they're still in control. If any of those four situations you find yourself in, then getting a trust is very important, and naming the trust as the IRA beneficiary. And it has to be set up, the trust that is, in a very special way to have certain important legal verbiage in there to satisfy the tax laws. So again, a properly structured trust can provide the oversight that you would be wanting to protect those funds once they're inherited. So that's a big mistake. Next mistake, ignoring required minimum distributions, also known as RMDs for short. You see, heirs a lot of times make mistakes with these RMDs once they inherit an IRA. And when the mistake is made, it can lead to penalties or accelerated taxes. So ensuring that your beneficiaries know about and understand these important rules and to plan accordingly is very important to avoid tax headaches later. And then the last mistake I want to talk about, overlooking, if you have a spouse, the options for a spousal rollover, where a spouse could roll it over into their own IRA. So if a spouse inherits an IRA, they have unique options, again, like rolling it over into their own IRA, an option that others, non-spouses, do not have available. So failing to use these sort of strategies that are permitted can lead, again, to unnecessary headaches, unnecessary taxes, missed opportunities for growth as well. So avoiding these mistakes requires careful planning and updates to your estate plan. So just know this: IRAs come with very specific rules, and understanding them can save time, money, and stress. If you'd like some help ensuring that your IRA is properly integrated, if you will, into your estate plan, give us a call here at Legacy Planning Law Group. We're here to guide you through these very important decisions, help you navigate this terrain. And so we invite you to take that first step. It's sort of a baby step. Scheduling a call with our team. It's called our discovery call. It's a free 15-minute phone call, and it's very easy. So just go to the screen that's popping up at the bottom of this video now. It's a clickable link. Click on it, takes you to our booking calendar. Pick the day and time that works for you. It's a chance to get the conversation started, and we can tell you if we can help you. By the way, for more estate planning advice, do like the video and subscribe to our channel. And so others can benefit from your experience, go ahead and put your comments below. So this is Bill O'Leary. I'm going to sign off for now. Until we talk again, go make it a great day and a better world. And I do look forward to seeing you on the next video.